Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Sufian. Me and my friend Isma Dini Hakim will represent forward and backward product integration, and our product is oil pump.
Okay, for 1.0, the raw material that we choose for visible to have forward and backward product integration to multi-product value chain, it is palm oil. There are two different types of oil that can be produced, which are crude palm oil and palm kernel oil. Okay, the major raw material used in the production of palm oil is collected is fresh fruit bunches, which is FFB. It can be easily obtained from the country wild palm grove, and also FFB can be found in numerous palm estates that already exist and those are now being built. And then the suggested integration is for producers to integrate forward and refiners to integrate backward into the plantation and milling sectors. The integration will bring together manufacturers and refiners, improving their position against foreigners competitors. Okay, for 2.0, analyze the possible backward integration strategy. For palm oil production, we have 5 steps, which is harvesting and processing palm oil fruits from tree to mills, palm oil mill process, producing palm oil, and processing palm oil. For 3.0, analyze of the possible forward vertical strategy. First, the palm fruit is processed into two primary products after being separated from the fresh fruit bunches, which is FFB. Crude palm oil (CPO), which is obtained from the fruit mesocarp or flesh, and palm kernel oil, which is PKO, which is obtained from the hard seed in the middle. Pressing the fruit release CPO from its mesocarp as the first step. The oil is then dried to match standard CPO requirements after being filtered and purified to assure its purity. The CPO is then moved to refinery where it is converted into culinary oils, which is cosmetics, margarines, and soaps. And then for palm kernel oil, which is PKO, typically used to manufacture animal feed, and the raw PKO also goes through a refining process before it is used to make culinary goods such as creams and ice creams. For manufacturing the oil is then sent to the plant for fractionation after refinement, where it's divided into several fractions. Each fraction has unique characteristics, and the melting point is one that is crucial. The use of the fraction is determined by their melting points. Some, for instance, can be used to make margarine and cooking oil. In this approach, palm oil can be found in a wide range of products. Thank you.
For 5.0, discuss the design option for a distribution network for above forward vertical strategy. First, the location of appropriate warehouse for storage must be strategic. The second one is we use the massive transportation like cargo trucks to transport our product to retailer. And the third is we send our product to huge merchant like department store, supermarket and so on. In manufacturer, we receive the raw material and then we manufacture into product, and after that we supply the product to retailer. For retailer is a place where the customer come to buy the product, such as department store, supermarket and so on. And next, the product will receive to the customer where people who buy the product. Okay, next for 6.0, suggest the e-business application to enhance the selected distribution network. For the example above, we have Amazon and DBiz, which is same, that they provide the oil pump either to the consumer or to other manufacturing industry.